Let's start with basil, a beloved herb known for its aromatic leaves and versatility in the kitchen. Varieties like Genovese basil and Thai basil are popular choices. Basil thrives in warm conditions and requires well-draining soil. Place it in a sunny spot, water it regularly, and pinch off the flowering tops to encourage bushier growth and prolong harvest. And as a word of caution, don't plant it too early, it does like warm temperatures. Next, we have rosemary, a perennial herb with an enchanting aroma. Rosemary loves sun and well-drained soil. It's a resilient herb that can withstand drier conditions, making it ideal for container gardening. Trim it regularly to maintain its shape and harvest sprigs as needed to add a delightful flavor to your roasted dishes. Now let's explore parsley. A versatile herb that adds a burst of freshness to your culinary creations. Both flat-leaf Italian and curly parsley varieties thrive in containers. Provide them with rich, moist soil and partial shade to prevent them from drying out. Harvest the outer leaves to encourage new growth and enjoy their vibrant flavor in salads, soups, and sauces. Cilantro, also known as coriander, is a herb with distinct flavor profiles in its leaves and seeds. It prefers cooler temperatures, making it an excellent herb to grow in containers during the spring and fall. Cilantro appreciates well-draining soil and partial shade, especially in hotter climates. Harvest the leaves before they bolt to use in salsas, curries, and other dishes. Mint, with its refreshing fragrance, is a popular herb for teas, cocktails, and desserts. However, due to its vigorous growth, it's best grown in a separate container to prevent it from taking over your herb garden. Mint thrives in moist soil and partial shade. Trim it regularly to keep it from becoming leggy and enjoy its invigorating taste in your favorite beverages. In addition to these herbs, consider growing thyme, oregano, chives, and other favorites in containers. Thyme and oregano prefer well-drained soil and full sun, providing you with the aromatic leaves to enhance your savory dishes. Chives, with their delicate onion flavor, are easy to grow and make a wonderful addition to salads and baked potatoes. When growing herbs in containers, it's important to choose the right-sized pots with drainage holes to ensure proper root development. Use a high-quality potting mix and water your herbs regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize them every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer to promote healthy growth and abundant flavors. Growing herbs in containers allows you to experience the joy of cultivating your own fresh and flavorful herbs, no matter how limited your space may be. And to help you further in your journey of growing herbs in container, I recorded a number of videos where I am in details describing each of the mentioned here herbs, how to grow them from seeds to mature plant, and how to harvest and preserve the harvest. So recommend you to go to my playlists now.